Welcome to a recipe for vegan cinnamon rolls in Botswana. First we cut some dates, around 2 tablespoons, and put them in a glass with half a cup of plant drink, which could be, for example, soy drink. We let them soak for 10 minutes up to 1 hour. We add half a cup of flour into a bowl or pot and 2 tablespoons of plant butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of warm water. We mix them all together and take the duff out to knead them very well so that we have a soft duff. We separate it into 2 pieces and start to roll one of them with a bottle or anything else you can find. We add 1 teaspoon of plant butter and put it on top of the duff. Then some cinnamon, and now the mix of dates with the soya drink. We make it a little bit flat for this to stay sticky to the duff. We start to roll. You can also leave the duff a little bit bigger, that your rolls are a little bigger, as I did for the second one. That's it. Now we put it into a frying pan with some vegetable fat and let it fry from both sides until they are brown and cooked. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.